Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Pardot prospects data map to Salesforce, full guide step by step clearly. Ensure you have administrative access to both Pardot and Salesforce. Log into your Pardot account and navigate to the Administration tab. Select Connectors from the drop-down menu. Locate and click on the Salesforce Connector option. Check if the connection is active and properly configured. Next, open your Salesforce account in a new tab or window. Go to the App Launcher and select Pardot. From the left sidebar, click on Prospects. Identify and select the prospects whose data you want to restore. Review the details of each prospect to confirm the data you wish to recover. If the data is missing, navigate to the Activities tab in Pardot. Look for any recent changes or deletions related to the prospect data. To recover the data, export the necessary fields from Salesforce. Go to Setup in Salesforce and find the Data Export option. Select the relevant fields associated with your prospects. Initiate the export process and download the CSV file. Return to your Pardot account and click on Prospects. Select Import and choose the CSV file you just downloaded. Follow the prompts to map the fields from the CSV to the corresponding Pardot fields. Ensure that the mapping is correct to prevent data inconsistencies. Once mapped, initiate the import process. Monitor the import progress to ensure all data is restored successfully. After the import is complete, review the prospect records in Pardot. Validate that all the data appears as expected. If any discrepancies remain, troubleshoot by revisiting the export and import steps. Once you're satisfied, conduct a thorough check on the prospect's activities and information. Document any changes made during this process for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.